What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Tommy Kentner here. If it's the first time dropping in, today we're going to do the first modifications on the Evo X and we're going to fix the rear diff on it. So we picked up some Torque Solutions rear diff bushings. We're going to stiffen up that rear end, and then we got bushings for the driveshaft too that while we got it up in the air we're just going to throw on. So let's get to it. Just to show you, if your Evo's making a clanking, it's probably that. Maybe it's pushed all the way out of there.
She's got some power.
Right. Make sure you grab your handy Milwaukee. Once again, we're not sponsored.
Could be.
Yeah, could be. Send us some stuff. We'll appreciate it. Put it to use.
I don't know if it's gonna have enough to get these off or not. That's a 19.
That's the wrong size, Johnny.
I was gonna just do one side at a time. So
oh, okay. Alright, guys. What size socket is it?
It's a 19.
You're going to need a 19 for this job. And there's what's left of the bushing.
Check that out.
Wow. Yep, I'll say that's why she was howling. Alright. And then we'll have the new stuff that goes back in it. So here's the new bushings, and then these pins run down the center like so. And then you just put the bolt back. Easy. This is where you get your big Milwaukee, and it doesn't play.
But you can't always fit it where you want it.
Yeah. So this whole bracket's going to come off to allow you to get that out.
One more hiding up there.
Yep. Oh, so you got to remove these two and then that one, and then this whole assembly come off. Alright, and that's out. So you just pull that out.
Oh, you shouldn't be able to pull it out.
Yeah, you shouldn't be able to pull that out. So I think we're going to have to knock that race out too.
Yep.
Alright, here comes the fun part. Alright guys, and you just press it out. And that's what you get. One pressed out bushing. And that'll allow you to put your new bushings in. Alright guys, the thicker one for two different sizes goes on top, and then the littler one goes on the bottom.
Make sure you don't forget your boss.
Yeah, don't forget the center pin. Just put it. Don't touch it.
Don't trust the deck.
Don't trust the deck. Guys, remember, get the good power on them. And this modification should have that with a little bit more traction, because it's going to hold the rear end planted.
I'm not going to go all the way tight on this yet because now that we have good bushings, this one probably won't give us any slack.
Right. That is true. All right, now we're going to move to the exhaust side. Was that bolt already taken out?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Look at that thing's been cut before.
That is crazy.
It's been cut before.
Look how worn out that thing is.
Somebody put just this bushing in, I think.
Oh.
Looks like it's been cut.
Yeah.
This side's been replaced before.
This side has?
Yeah.
Why is it in worse condition?
Probably because they didn't really replace the one side. Tight sons of guns.
Right. What they do, just put a piece of rubber on the bottom?
That's what it looks like.
Right. The joys of buying a used car.
If you want to own a piece of TK AutoWorks history, this car's for sale.
Right. Should never go to the dark side. Wow.
That's just a spacer.
Yeah.
They just put that in there as a spacer to try to tighten it back down.
That's crazy. Alright, well, we're going to go knock that one out. Alright guys, run all those bolts back in, and then put your big one for the center.
Push her up.
Push it up.
Alright, starting.
Alright. He ain't got that one ran up all the way.
Yeah.
Alright. Leave this side a little bit loose when you're doing the other side. Yep. Switch. Like that.
It's pretty good.
Alright. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, no knocky.
Alright.
Pretty solid now.
Yeah. Alright guys, we got these drive shaft bushings too from Torque Solutions that we're going to go ahead and throw in while we're here because it's already up on the lift, and we're going to wait on this Johnny just because I know it's going to be a pain in the butt, and that'll just be another video.
Just put your bushings, or put your bolts anywhere.
Yeah.
Still gotta press them guys out, it looks like.
Yes, it's hard.
Grab a chain of locks.
Oh, it's got like a sleeve in it.
The sleeve I got in my hand.
There it is. Now the top should push it like that.
A little sticky.
Right.
Oh wow, those are nice.
Oh yeah, these are cool.
Loosely installed.
Yeah, leave it a little bit loose so when you drop that other one you'll have some movement.
Oh, that one came out in one piece.
Huh?
That one came out in one piece.
Oh, did it?
Yeah. 2 pieces.
2 pieces. Uh-oh. That deck time. Properly torqued.
Yeah, we'll check them again.
Yeah.
We'll double check them.
I was going to use this one to push it out.
The other one is up in there.
Just need a little persuasion.
Just a little bit.
Where we go? Perfect.
Adrian looks real good in that car.
It's already better.
Yeah. No clank clank.
No clink clink.
Alright guys, we're going to end this video here. That was a quick install of the rear differential bushings by Torque Solutions and the driveshaft bushings by them too. So drop a comment below if you need any help installing these or got any questions. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video if you enjoyed what you've seen. And we'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Adrian's going to buy this car.